misfortune as my old friend Mr. Misery. I've been away so long, I bet you thought you'd seen the last of me. I got no bed to rest my head, no doors or walls or window pane. All I needed was the rain, 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 rain. And a little honey at the buzzing Bumblebee Cafe. Yes, I did. When drinking all my money, that honeybee had flown away. About as low as I can go. I don't really mean to complain. All I needed was the rain.